Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So guys, I hope you all are staying at home and you all are safe. I just pray कि एक time जो भी है किसी तरीके से निकल जाए. I don't know what is all happening. Like everyone is scared. I am scared of losing our loved ones. And there are some things which I have learned from this experience, which I really want to share with you guys. Although this video is of home decor haul, but before starting that, I just want to share something which I have learned from this phase of corona pandemic. I think हम लोग इतने busy हो चुके हैं अपनी life में, like success के लिए, अपने career के goals को achieve करने के लिए, that we have, I think, forgotten the most important things in our life. And at the end, it doesn't matter how much bank balance we have, how much money we have, or maybe how many degrees we have. At the end, what does really matter is how many happy moments we have lived, how many memories we have created with our loved ones. And इस कोरोना पैंडेमिक ने आई थिंक हमें यही सिखाया है कि देयर इज़ नो गारंटी ऑफ द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट. और हम आगे के लंबे लंबे बड़े बड़े प्लान्स बनाते रहते हैं, जबकि जो सच में हमारे पास होता है उस टाइम, हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स, हमारे फ्रेंड्स, वी डोंट वैल्यू देम. यार जॉब्स है, कैरियर है, सब चलता रहेगा. आई मीन दिस विल नेवर स्टॉप. द पीपल हु आर इम्पॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ्स, हम उन्हें अगर टाइम ना दे पाए तो कोई पॉइंट नहीं बनता उन सब चीज़ों का. एंड आई थिंक अब मैं बहुत बोल चुकी हूँ, तो देरी ना करते हुए वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस पेन स्टैंड. इट्स इन रोज गोल्ड कलर. आई रियली लव द क्वालिटी. इज एक्सट्रीमली good. It's of metal. It has like 3 compartments, so you can use it as a pen stand or maybe for the dressing area, like if you want to keep your brushes or kajals, lipsticks, like that. So you can use it as an organizer for your dressing area as well as for your study area. I really liked it, and I will mention all the product links in the description box below. So if you like any product, you can go just click on the link of that product and you can buy that product. Then some other organizers. So this is a set of 4 organizers. Right now I'm so much into organizing. You can use these organizers in your kitchen, in your dressing area. Quality is really good. I really like these organizers. Then this is this beautiful book stand. I really liked it. It is also in rose gold color. It's of metal. It's very sturdy. Quality is really good, and it's very different from the normal book stands. So you can like put your magazines or files or books in between these compartments, and it will instantly glam up your study area or the home office area. I would definitely recommend to buy this. Then this is this cute planter. I really liked it. It's from Ferns and Petal brands, and it comes with the plant. This is the bamboo plant, and it's of metal. It's very good quality. If you want to keep a small plant in your kitchen or maybe washroom or in your study area, I usually put this planter on my coffee table. Then these are the candle stands. We have 2 candle stands here in the golden shade. Again, they're of metal. They look really pretty in the drawing room or maybe in the bedroom area, and they're perfect for any kind of candlelight dinner. So yeah, really like the quality. Then there are these 4 jars. You must have seen it in the dining area makeover. Actually, I have included some of the products which I have already shown in the videos. But होता क्या है, comments में people ask about the review, like how really these products are. So I thought to include those products as well, which I have shown in the videos. Some of the products I'm going to show, and I'm going to give a proper review about those products. I really like the wordings on them. It's flavored by माँ का अचार, and this is really cute. तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूँ? And it's जुबा पे लागा नमक इश्क का. So I really like the wordings over them. Quality is really good, but I think these are little bit costly, and I saw similar ones in the local market, and there it was quite cheaper, much cheaper than these. If you're interested in such kind of jars, firstly try the local markets. In case if you don't found such kind of jars in the local market, then you can buy these. The quality is really good. Only thing is they are little bit costly. Okay, so the next product is this traditional hanging diya, and it's so pretty. I'm not sure. I think it's of brass, and I got a pair of these. These are really pretty. Quality is very good. For the festival purposes, they are perfect. This is the cushion cover which I recently bought. It's of Blank 9 brand, and I really love the quality and the work over it, and it has some tassels also. The colors are really good, and it's very very bohemian, and it will go with I think any kind of decor. And the base is very neutral. Over that we have the work with some bright colors, so because of that it will go with so many color shades. Next cushion cover is this cute pink color cushion cover. The cloth is so soft. It has this furry kind of detailing over it with tassels, of course, and the quality is very good, very good, very soft, perfect for your bedrooms, perfect for the girls, especially because of the color. So the next cushion covers is a pair of these. So I accidentally ordered it because I thought they are of like 40 centimeter size, but when I received them they were small. So these are perfect for 12 inches of cushions, and I really like these. The embroidery is really pretty, so I thought of like keeping them. The finishing is extremely good. In case you are searching for some small cushion covers, then I think these are perfect. So next up we have a set of 3 paintings. So this is like this, 1, 2, and then there is 3. And I love these paintings. The print is so freaking pretty, and they're perfect for a couple's room or for a girl's room. Maybe if you're searching for a very light, breezy painting for summers, this set is perfect for you guys. Next thing is a set of mirrors. So these mirrors, we have a set of 3 mirrors here, and they have this rope detailing at the corners, which are making them very stylish. And these kind of mirrors are very versatile because they are perfect for modern as well as for any kind of Indian decor. So in case you are confused like what to hang on the drawing room wall or on the bedroom wall, these mirrors will go anywhere and they will look very smart. Quality is really good, and I think they were not very pricey also, so you can check the link. I don't remember the price of any product. Some of them I bought I think 2-3 months back, some I bought recently, so I don't remember the price of any product. So one of the pieces is this mirror. So this is not from Amazon, this is from woodentwist.com. It's a site where you can buy so many products like home decor pieces. I really like their wall panels and the mirrors, and they sent me this beautiful mirror. I really like the quality. It's detailing over the side of the mirror is really good. I will give the link of this product as well in the description box below. Then we have this carpet. Oh my god, I really like this carpet. This carpet, I think I hope it's visible. So the quality is really good. It's extremely soft and it's very bohemian, so I really like this carpet, and the colors are very good, and it's of brand House to Home. It was cheap also, it was not very costly. If you want to create any zen area where you can sit and meditate or just read, so this kind of carpet is perfect for it because it's very soft, and in summers like we don't want any kind of rough rug, so for that purpose this rug is perfect. Again, it's very versatile. It will go with your modern as well as your Indian decor. So yeah, you can definitely check this out. So actually I have included only those products which I really like. Okay, then there is this hanging, Bless This Home. The quality is very good. It's of wood and it's of a brand, I think the Memories something, but the brand is quite costly. I got a full gallery wall from them also for the dining area. It costed me 4,500 rupees. But the quality is really good. The frames quality, whatever the wordings, they are very good. So in case if you want to invest in some good quality decor pieces, you can definitely check this brand. But the problem is most of the times their products are not available. I don't know what's the issue. Even right now I think this product is also not available. But in case you want to make a gallery wall in the dining area, in the kitchen area, or in the entryway, their gallery walls are super pretty. You just don't have to do anything. You don't have to use your mind. You just have to buy as it is, and you just have to hang them on the wall, and it will instantly glam up the area. So that's why they are costly, because the products are really good. This is the nameplate. You must have seen it in my home entrance and foyer area makeover. I wanted to include it because I searched a lot for a good nameplate, and some of you might also want a nice nameplate, and it's really difficult to get a good nameplate in the local market. It's an Instagram page actually. It's customized nameplates. I will give the page link in the description box below. The quality is really good, though the nameplates are a little bit pricey. Definitely they are a little bit pricey, but the quality is good. So these are, I think, worth it. And even I tried Amazon also for the nameplates, but what happened, like after buying the nameplate on Amazon, you have to send your details about your house, about your names on the WhatsApp numbers, so that they can customize the nameplates according to you. So what happened, when I was doing the WhatsApp, the number was not available. When I was calling them, the number was not available. So finally I cancelled that order, and that happened me 2 times with different sellers. So I dropped the idea to buy the nameplate from Amazon, and then I searched nameplates on the Instagram, and this was the first page which opened, and I really liked their stuff, so I contacted them and I got this made from them. So I think it was of 1500 rupees. So yeah, they are little bit pricey, but I think entrance is the main thing, so you deserve to have a nice nameplate. So definitely check the page out. I really like the quality. Next up, this table calendar. So right now I'm just trying to redecorate my study and the home office area, because obviously यार lockdown है, we all are at home, so it's important कि हमारा जो home office area है where you do all the work, it should be pretty, it should attract you so that we can sit there and do our work. So थोड़ा सा मैं उसको revamp कर रही हूँ, उसके लिए ही मैंने ये table calendar मंगाया था, and the colors are so pretty, the prints are extremely good. You can see how the prints are. I hope you are able to see. Then the next up, this cushion cover. Actually, I'm using it for quite some time. I wanted cushion covers in yellow shade, and most of the sites don't have really good quality of cushion covers in this shade. Either the color is very bright and maybe the quality of the cloth is not good. I ordered quite a few and I returned most of them. Finally I got this. The brand name is I think Luxembourg, and the brand is Luxurious brand, but I purchased these at the time of sales. Okay, the next cushion cover. So मेरे home decor hall में cushion covers ना हो, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? I love cushions. It's so cozy. It's of macrame. The cream shade being neutral will go with any kind of color palette. So if you want a bohemian cozy kind of feel in the room, you definitely need to buy this. I love them. They are so versatile. I mean, I use them in so many makeovers, bedroom makeovers, drawing room makeovers, Christmas makeovers. I mean, I use them in, I think, in every makeover because of the cream shade, and they're so versatile, they're so smart. So definitely buy these cushion covers. These are the must-haves. Like, such cushion covers are must-have. Okay, so the next cushion cover is this one. This is again a bohemian cream and in black shade, and this is also like the shades are neutral, so this will also go with so many kind of decor, and the quality is really good, and it's in 18 inches size. Okay, the next up is this planter. So I wanted some small size of planter, so I got the pair of these from Amazon. These are in ceramic. The color palette is really good. The size is perfect if you want to keep it in a kitchen or a washroom. And local market में भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी variety नहीं थी small planters की, so मैंने Amazon पे search किया. मुझे इनकी quality काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. थोड़े से pricey हैं no doubt, but काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, बहुत प्यारे हैं, तो आप ज़रूर check करिएगा. काफ़ी अच्छे लगे मुझे. Okay, so next piece is this trolley kind of thing. It's perfect for the dining area with this chef miniature, and you can put sauce, tissue papers, mayonnaise, whatever you like in the dining area. You can just put them in this trolley. So it will serve your purpose as well, and it's a decor piece also. So I think two benefits, and the quality is really good. Again, it's also very pricey, but sometimes you have to pay some extra money for a different kind of product, and such kind of products are usually not easily available in the local markets. So that's why I got this, because I wanted to add some statement pieces in the dining area. So next are these artificial flowers. I just opened them. So the leaves are all folded. Whenever you require artificial flowers, try to buy the white color flowers. They look very pretty and they look very stylish as well. Avoid so many colors in the flowers. Most of the time I like use plants only, but now the space which I am designing right now, requirement of that area is the artificial flowers. That's why I bought these. Now the comforters. So I recently, like, the summer season is here, so I wanted some comforters, and because the theme of this room is blue, so that's why I wanted the blue comforters. So I ordered these. They were quite cheap. I think 445 rupees for a single comforter. These are single bed comforters, so I got a pair of these comforters. Though they are a little bit synthetic, they are not purely cotton, but they are soft and they are good if you are looking for a little bit cheaper comforters. Let me show you the print. So the print is really good. The set of frames, which I really like. The prints are really quirky and very modern, and in any kind of drawing room or bedroom where you don't know what to do with the walls, you can just add such kind of frames and it will give a complete look to your room. So these are very minimalistic and colors are very neutral, that they will go with any kind of furniture, any kind of decor. Okay, so next thing is this light. Oh my god, I love this light. I think this is one of the best lights in our house. When I was selecting a light for this room, I was so confused between so many lights, and finally my husband chose this light, and at that time I was very skeptical skeptical about how it will look, but once we hang the light, I was like, oh my god, how pretty it is. So this kind of light is so minimal, still so stylish and so versatile, and the price was really good. It's not very pricey also. Next light is this dining room light. Though it's very common, still it's extremely stylish, and it has given a cafe kind of feeling in my dining area. And with so many bulbs in it, whenever you lighten it up, it will take the look of the room to the next level. So I really like this light. The quality is good. Then the next thing is this floor lamp. Okay, I recently bought this. The reason why I bought this, because we have the Wi-Fi modems in this area, so I wanted something जिसमें कुछ shelves हो ताकि मैं अपना जो modem है वो वहाँ place कर सकूँ. And the second thing मैं चाहती थी that it should not occupy much space, because ये थोड़ा entry वाला area है and मैं इस area को congested नहीं करना चाहती थी. That's why I bought this lamp. Quality again is very good. The feel of the lamp is so good, so you can like style the shelves with the plants, and behind the plants I just place my modem. I just hide the modem. Next, this big wall mounted clock. So many of you ask how is the quality, where it is available. I bought it from Amazon. It might be available in the local markets as well, but I bought it from Amazon, and the quality is really good. I will give the size which I used in my drawing room, but it's available in so many sizes. The bigger it is, the smarter it looks. The next thing is this key holder. So I was searching for a nice key holder from quite some time, and finally I saw this. और वो कहते हैं ना, पहली नज़र का प्यार हो जाना, वही हुआ मुझे इस की होल्डर को देख के. मतलब मुझे लगा I have to buy this, and especially because हम लोगों के घर में बहुत ज़्यादा like I have given yellow touch also in 2 of our rooms. The color palette is yellow, so I thought ये उसके साथ जाएगा भी, और ये बहुत ही cute है. Then there are some products which I used in my kitchen decor. So first of this decor piece which has written coffee over it, और नीचे hooks हैं जिनमें आप अपने मग को हैंग कर सकते हैं. तो ये डेकोर पीस के बारे में काफ़ी लोगों ने पूछा कि क्या क्वालिटी है, क्या ये वेट बेयर कर पाएगा इतने मग्स का. तो हाँ, क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी है. जो उसका जो टेक्सचर है वो थोड़ा रफ टाइप का. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि फिनिशिंग आपको बहुत अच्छी मिलेगी, क्योंकि उसका जो टेक्सचर है, उसका जो लुक है वही थोड़ा रफ टाइप है, बिकॉज दैट इज इन फैशन. देन मैंने किचन के लिए 4 फ्रेम्स का सेट लिया था. इनमें भी ऐसे प्रिंट्स हैं रिलेटेड टू द किचन. दे कैन बी परफेक्ट फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ डाइनिंग एरिया. ये काफ़ी चीप थे, काफ़ी अच्छे लगे. क्वालिटी इज गुड. Then the another thing, I got these 2 fridge and microwave covers in the yellow shade. The quality is really good. They have pockets, they have some lace detailing over the ends. ये दोनों भी मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आए. Then another one, we have this wooden decor piece for the kitchen. It's of very good quality. थोड़ा pricey है, no doubt. It's a little pricey, but मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया, so मैंने ले लिया. तो quality काफ़ी अच्छी है. Okay, then the table runners. Having a nice table runner is extremely important. तो मैंने जब अपने dining area को set किया, मैंने काफ़ी table runners search किए, और मुझे थोड़े bohemian kind of चाहिए थे. So I finally got 2 runners. One is in creamish shade, another one is the yellow shade. They both are of a very good quality. The colors are very good. और इसमें ना ये एक ही ब्रांड के हैं. इसमें काफ़ी सारे shades में runners हैं. So you can check these out. I really like these runners. Another thing is this cycle decor piece, which I have recently shown in my entryway and the home entrance makeover. So this is of very good quality. It's of metal, and you can just buy such kind of hanging flowers, and you can style this cycle along with the flowers, and this is perfect for any kind of entryway. I love such pieces in the entryway. So that was all for this haul. This was a huge haul. I mean, I think I have shown so many products. I have to like create a variety of content for you guys. That's why I keep on buying different stuff. I have given the genuine review. All the product links will be mentioned in the description box below, and I am coming with so many makeovers soon. And let me know in the comment section below what kind of video you would like to watch next. And guys, stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe. I'll be coming with so many more videos. Till then, bye.